In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use AI as a personal assistant in ClickUp so you can save time, automate tasks, and manage your work more efficiently. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace. This is your main dashboard where all your tasks, projects, and tools are located, and it's where you'll access all the AI features. Next, look for ClickUp Brain. This is the built-in AI assistant that helps you manage and organize your work. You can open it from the toolbar or directly inside Tasks, Docs, or Chat. Once you open it, you can start asking questions or giving prompts. For example, you can ask it to summarize a task, find information, or create new content. It works like a smart assistant that understands your workspace. You can also use AI directly inside tasks and docs. Whenever you see the AI option, you can use it to rewrite text, generate ideas, or turn notes into clear action steps. Another powerful feature is automations with AI. You can set up workflows where AI helps update tasks, send reminders, or organize information without you doing it manually. As you continue using it, try different prompts and features to see what fits your workflow best. The more you use it, the more time you'll save on repetitive work. Take a moment to keep everything simple and organized so the AI can work more effectively with your data. And that's it. You're now using AI in ClickUp as your personal assistant, helping you work faster, stay organized, and focus on what really matters.